This is the main menu screen on the touch screen. What you have here is, it'll tell you what mode you're in. Whether it's in jog mode, run mode, one brake mode, or two brake mode. For press set point parameters, it doesn't matter where the selector switch is. The only thing it does matter is that you can't download any changes while the press is running. As soon as you do a download, the press will stop in its cycle. So there are 4 levels of users on this thing. You have the operator, which has minimal access to screens. You've got a second level where it allows that individual to go in and make press changes. You've got a third level that allows programs to be changed that have been stored. And you have a fourth level that is for maintenance and utilities. We are in that fourth level currently right now. We'll just run through here a little bit. This top one is your dwell set point, currently at 0.2 seconds. The next one is the actual dwell time. So when that machine is in run mode and it's actually cycling, you would see this counter count up. The next one is the top stop position, slow down position, reversal position. This is your actual platen position. That's currently where the platen is resting right now. Your tonnage set point, your tonnage actual, your cycles per minute, and your speed actual, and your counter. So if we wanted to go through here and change some of these set points, we're going to go to Save Recipes, and then we're going to hit a Restore, and our press parameters come up down here. Currently, the tonnage is at 750. If I want to change that, I just hit this button over here. I can put in 400. Hit the Enter button. 400 is now my new set point. So you have currently what it is, and then your new set point. You have your dwell timer, program name, top stop, slow down, reversal, badge counter, any additional features that you would want, like an auto feed, an unload, air blow-offs, can be all programmed on these screens right here. Up on this level right here on the very top, you see a greener as a name. You probably can't see that in the print. And we have a test. Once the programs have been stored in the machine, what you can do is very quickly just scroll over to the next program, hit the Restore on that one, say yes. It brings in those set points. Then you would download those, upload them to the PLC, and now that current program, which is Test 2, is now in the system. This feature allows the user to store thousands of press parameters. So if you had a mold that was in the press and that mold had a serial number, you would probably put that serial number right in here as a recipe. So when you go back to that job in the future, all you have to do is get to that mold, hit the Restore, download it, and you're good to go. You don't have to recreate the wheel every time. All the press points are in there. They've already been done once, you're good to go. Now, the next screen that I can show you is a trending screen. This screen here is constantly running. Your tonnage comes up on this side. Your platen position is up on this side. Once your data has been in there, you can pause it and go back and forth, left or right, on the parameters and see what that current stroke was on the press. So if you were having problems making good product, this would be where you go in there and look to see how the profile of the press is performing. We also have various maintenance tools in here. Your position transducer calibration, your pressure transducer calibration, pressure relief valve, PLC monitor. Let's go to the PLC monitor. The PLC monitor shows you all your inputs, all your outputs, digital inputs, digital outputs. Again, this is a very useful troubleshooting tool. If you are having problems with your press and you want to see, for example, if a button was working, this is where you would go. And currently I'll just press this one button right here, which is the open button. And you can see that I'm changing the state between 4 and 5. If I change the selector switch, again, we'll have different inputs and outputs changing. Now we'll start the press up and show you some of that trending feature. Okay, what we're going to do now is show you how that trending screen works. And the screensaver is on right now, so all you see is the greened feature in there. We just touch the screen. Our main menu will pop up. We'll press, well, first we'll put it in the one brake mode. Currently it's in jog. So one brake. We'll press our trending button. The trending screen is started. Now we'll run a few cycles. Now we can zoom in on the trending. Currently the press is set for 200 tons with a 5-second dwell time. Represents the tonnage, the red line represents the linear transducer. We'll take that and we're going to change that to 750 tons. Change that dwell time.